All right, down here under Barry 66 Eldorado, put in a new vacuum modulator. It was actually leaking around the crimp. Fresh pan gasket is in. Pan's put back. I just got to refill the trans. Also, we replaced our tail shaft housing seal, you know, for the yoke. That's all done too. Now onto our brakes.
So here's an issue. These should slide right off, and they are stuck. Great. Just great. All right. Let me get this thing to focus. There we go. Okay, you see all these marks here and back in here? That explains why it was stuck. There's one. Remember how they were going in and out and I had to adjust them? Well, that's because the ID of the bearing here was never the correct size, which explains why it's scraped and blued inside here. I need to take, and I'm going to wipe this down right now, get it all clean, and I'm going to check on if it's damaged or not. Also, I noticed whoever installed these installed them backwards. This is a left side caliper, and it's mounted on the right. The bleeder should be on top. Good work, whoever did that. That's not good. Not good at all. That's from the bearings spinning on the spindle, getting hot and welding itself to it and then basically breaking itself off. That's not good at all. We need to discuss this.